Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about an awesome addition to your home for the summer, the Hisense 12,000 BTU Smart Inverter Window Air Conditioner. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link below to get the best price and current deals on this unit. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. Wind face emoji, first impressions. Right out of the box, the Hisense unit feels premium. It has a sleek, modern design that fits nicely into most Windows setups, and yes, installation is actually really easy. Hisense included everything you need, and the instructions are beginner-friendly. Plus, it's designed with something called open window flexibility, which means it works even with partially open windows, pretty neat for those with less traditional window styles. Mute emoji, ultra quiet and smart cooling. One of the things I noticed right away is how quiet this thing is. Like seriously. If you're tired of loud, clunky ACs that make it hard to sleep or watch TV, you'll love this. Thanks to the smart inverter technology, it doesn't cycle on and off constantly. Instead, it keeps the room at a steady temp while using up to 37.6% less energy compared to standard models. That means lower electric bills and a more comfortable home. Mobile phone emoji, smart features. This unit comes fully loaded with smart capabilities. You can control it via the Hisense Connect Life app, your voice using Alexa or Google Assistant, or the traditional remote. Set schedules, adjust temps on the go, or even turn it on before you get home, all from your phone. It's perfect for people who want convenience and control without lifting a finger. Light bulb emoji, final thoughts. Overall, the Hisense 12,000 BTU Smart Window AC checks all the boxes. Energy efficient, white check mark emoji. Super quiet, white check mark emoji. Easy to install, white check mark emoji. Smart home ready, white check mark emoji. If you're looking for a reliable air conditioner that won't run up your power bill and looks great doing it, this one's a no-brainer. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the link below to grab yours while it's still in stock. Stay cool, and I'll catch you in the next one.